warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First, I'm gonna introduce myself, Muaz Suryasara, and my friend.
My name is Agil.
Okay, Mr. Agil.
Hello, Mr. Muaz.
How are you today? Are you good?
Alhamdulillah, I feel great today.
Alhamdulillah. Yesterday, Mr. Agil, you text me on WhatsApp how to withdraw money from an ATM machine.
Yes, that's right. Can you show me how to withdraw money from ATM BNI?
Hey, yes, of course. I'm gonna show you.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Okay, check this video.
Oh no!
Okay, Mr. Agil, that was the tutorial on how to withdraw money from an ATM.
Yes, thank you very much.
You are welcome. Okay, guys, maybe that's all for today. And stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel YouTube. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.